Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us solve this simple polynomial equation and expression. The first question says x cubic plus x cubic, this is equal to 250. Let us see the simple way to solve this. We know that if we have a plus a, this is equal to 2a. Now we have x cubic plus x cubic. This is going to be 2x cubic. This is equal to 250. We can divide by 2 both sides. By 2, 1. By 2, we get 1. By 2, 1. By 2, we get 125. Now, x cubic, this is equal to 125. Let us put 125 as the base of 5. That is going to be x cubic. This is equal to 5 power 3. But we know that if we have a power b, this is equal to c power b. If we have the same power, the base are equal. Now we have the same power, the base, they are going to be equal. X is equal to 5. Let us do question number 2. It says, if 4s is equal to 20, what is the value of 8s plus 5? What I'm going to do here, I'm going to make 8s plus 5 from 4s is equal to 20. So first I'm going to multiply by 2 both sides, so as I'm going to get 8s, that is going to be 2 multiplied by 4s, this is equal to 20 multiplied by 2, that gives me 8s, this is equal to 40. I'm going to add by 5 both sides, that is 8s plus 5, this is equal to 40 plus 5. 8s plus 5, this is equal to 45. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.